Let me see. Hi, Roxy, what does a sheep say? What does a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a lion say?
Bah.
No, what does a lion say?
Bah.
Roar! What does a dog say? Woof, 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 woof. What does a bird say?
Baby.
Tweet, tweet. What does a snake say? What does a cat say? What does a cow say? What does the cow say? Moo. Moo. Can you put your sunglasses on? Can you put your sunglasses on? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah. That was a big kiss.